Dropshipping is often promoted as an easy online business, but once you actually start, you realize how many challenges there are: unreliable suppliers, slow shipping, product quality issues, inventory management, and constant manual work. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through Doba Dropshipping, a platform designed to simplify many of these problems and help you understand whether it's the right tool for your e-commerce journey. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is MATLAB. On this channel, we talk about e-commerce tools, online business platforms, and ways to build and manage stores more efficiently. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Doba is a tool, not a guarantee of income or success. Results depend on your strategy, effort, and the market conditions. With that said, let's take a deep dive into what Doba is and how it works. What is Doba? Doba is a dropshipping platform that connects online sellers with over 1 million products from private suppliers. Instead of working with dozens of supplier websites, spreadsheets, and communication channels, Doba brings product sourcing, inventory syncing, and order fulfillment into one centralized system. One of the biggest advantages of Doba is that many of its suppliers operate from United States-based warehouses. This typically results in faster shipping times, better tracking, and improved customer satisfaction, which is especially important if you are selling to customers in the United States. The problem Doba is trying to solve. One of the biggest problems in dropshipping is fragmentation. You might find a product on one platform, communicate with a supplier somewhere else, manually upload listings to your store, and then deal with fulfillment separately. Doba aims to reduce this complexity by offering an all-in-one solution, especially for sellers who want a more structured workflow. How Doba works? Step by step detail. Step 1, connecting your store. The first step is connecting your store to Doba. Doba integrates with popular platforms such as Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and TikTok Shop. Whether you already have a store or are starting from scratch, the setup process is designed to be straightforward. Step 2, product discovery. Once your store is connected, you can start browsing products. Doba's catalog includes over 1 million items across multiple categories. To make product research easier, Doba offers curated lists such as top ranking products, high profit selections, TikTok shop selections. These lists are designed to help sellers identify trending or high demand products without starting from zero. Step 3, importing products. After choosing a product, you can import it to your store with a single click. Toba automatically sends product images, descriptions, variants, and pricing. This automation can save hours of manual work, especially if you are testing multiple products. Step 4, order fulfillment. When a customer places an order on your store, the order information is automatically sent back to Doba. You pay the wholesale price and the supplier ships the product directly to your customer. There is no need to hold inventory, manage packing, or handle shipping logistics yourself. Platform features that stand out. AI Hub. Doba includes an AI Hub designed to help sellers work more efficiently. The AI Store Builder can help you launch a Shopify store quickly with a professional theme and AI selected products. AI analyzes trends and demos to suggest products based on your niche, while AI Auto Lister helps keep your store updated by automatically listing trending items on a shelf. Elite Academy. Education is another major focus of Doba. Through Doba Elite Academy, users gain access to structured training on topics such as product selection, pricing strategies, and social commerce, including platforms like TikTok Shop. This program is included with Doba's standard plan and is meant to support sellers who want to improve their long-term strategy. And have video. Doba also offers a video hub, which includes trending products videos, influencer tested products, ready to use video ideas. This is especially useful for sellers who want to test social media ideas or product content without creating everything from scratch. Pricing model and structure. Unlike many dropshipping platforms, Doba does not charge per order or per product fees. Instead, it operates on a monthly subscription model, which helps keep costs predictable and easier to plan for. New users can start with a low-cost trial, and science offers can change over time. It's always best to check the latest detail through the official link. Pros and considerations. Some potential advantages of using Toba include centralized supply access, United States-based warehouse, automation and AI tools, educational resource. At the same time, like any platform, it's important to evaluate whether it fits your business model, niche, and goals. Who is Doba best for? Doba may be good fit if you are new to dropshipping and want a structured platform, running a Shopify or TikTok shop store, looking for United States-based suppliers, interested in automation and AI-powered tools, sellers who prefer full manual control or already have direct supplier relationships may want to compare options before deciding. To sum it up, Toba is designed to make dropshipping more organized and manageable. It won't replace effort, testing, or learning, but it can reduce many of the technical and operational challenges. If you are curious to explore it further, I left a link in the description where you can try Doba for yourself and review the current trial offer.